Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Guys, uh, this loader is Doosan, but the engine is Scania. The problem now, this unit is no power. The RPM is only 2000, almost 2000 only, but the maximum for this Scania engine, the maximum RPM is 2500, but this unit is only 2000. So if this unit is working, the fault code is coming engine check like this, and also no power. So I will come now here. I will check this engine. I will connect this for Scania diagnostic is DP3, but no fault code, without active fault code. So I confuse the sensor is I will check now the sensor. I try to check the sensor now. This is the rotational speed sensor, T74 and T75, but this sensor is okay, but here I try to take the resistance, because this resistance is okay, this resistance, see, this one is T74, this one is T75. Now guys, is see guys, you all know this T74 is only 613 ohms, but the normal is 5000 like this. See this, I check here in the T75, this left side. See guys, 5812 like this is, guys, that is the normal, but this left side only 600 guys. See guys, now I confirm this is the problem. This is the sensor, this is the flywheel sensor guys. Okay guys, now I will order now this sensor. I cut now. Okay, bye bye.